Okay, I'm getting this sealer off. This is the sealing of the joints, and it's going pretty quick. Just going up and down these the seams of the boards, and all I'm doing, I have a painter's tool, and not trying real hard, because if it's stuck, it's stuck, right? Just leave it there. But it's coming up very easily. And what I'm trying to do is eliminate this lip right here. See how that's, so when I put my fabric over it, it'll be as smooth as I can get it. So I just want to show you that it's going quite easily. Haven't worked on the screws yet. Haven't tested any of those. But that's like a polyurethane, and you can see it's brittle on the top, but it's still gooey down below. So I'm inclined to just leave them there and go over top of them with the patching material. And the same goes for this seam down here. That's the same stuff. And it's a little brittle, but I think it's going to stay fine. And I'm just going to, I'm not going to use the fabric on that. I'm just going to put the patching material over that. All right, let me get back to it. I got 2 more seams to do, and then I'm going to blow it off, put some chlorine on it, and then pressure wash it.